Hello, another quick video. Just showing some of the tools of my trade. Well, trying to trade my hobby. Brush, this and that and the other. You can see what they are. File, razor saw. But I just want to show a little update of what I've done for the repair jobs. I'll start off with that's what you saw before, because that's what was left. And I've got the middle now. This nice very thin fuselage, the minimum large fuselage. New, obviously new fuselage, original tail of the Eon Eden glider, and so the whole thing one piece there, and you got the two support struts there to hold it sort of square level. So I've got that in place. What I've got to do first is when you get this kit, it's got a holes to put the thread through is need to be made. So there's one there, my little pin vise, one right next to the support struts right there, and one there at the bottom of the corner there. Let's see how small it has to be. Okay, so all you have to do now is put that on there, and you got your little glider, into focus glider, and I'll do a bit of a seatbelt effect there with some tape, and I'll have to rig it then. It's quite a complicated rigging, as you may remember if you've seen the original condition of it. Excuse me. Now here's what I've got with the F-16 so far. That looks like a Spitfire, but it's not. It's the decal of the Belgian 1992 anniversary livery. So what I did first, all I've done really so far, is there was a crack all along here. So in order to try and for it to be fairly flat level, I've glued this together now so that when I put it in place on the rest of the model, which is here, and it'll go fairly level in place, and it won't be trying to keep that shape there. Anyway, it's a bit of a waffly way of saying it. Still haven't got a kit to use for that, but I will do. And last for now, I've got the progress on the P51 for Sweden. I've stuck the main wing back together. Bit of a scruffy job there, but got some silver paint. I got the bomb rack reattached, or the underwing tank holder, and I put the tail on again, the one that I've got left. So that's my progress for that. So it's coming along. Next week I expect to be doing queuing up a kit review, because I bought a few kits since I made one last, and as well as probably some more progress on these. You will see a little bit of kit review which I'm going to make now. Thank you for watching, and cheerio.